survived our last night in the tent. We are headed to St. Charles today. We have 2 nights in a hotel. We still have 2 days of riding left because we'll get to St. Charles today. I think that's a 26-mile ride. And then from there, we go out to Macon's. I've heard it both ways. I have.
I have too.
And ring that dang bell. That'll be a 30-mile round trip, or about roughly. But just want to update you on the duct tape method of repair, and it held yesterday during that rainstorm. Nary a drop inside. So
Nary.
I'm impressed. You know what I'm really thankful for? His fix-it skills. Like, I don't have to worry about anything like that because I know whatever happens, he'll improvise and he'll have some sort of solution that'll work, you know?
Well, you know what I'm thankful for?
What?
I'm thankful that you packed our puffy coats and your tail bag of your bike for 12 days and I finally needed it today. It's cold.
200 miles so far with those puffy coats. It is a chilly day. This has gone from extremes. Pistol's gonna have to wear. We started off with her wearing a coat, then it got blasted hot. She'll be wearing a coat now.
Well, it's just gonna warm. It'll be in the mid 70s today. It's just 50 this morning.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be a beautiful day. We are packed up, ready to go. She's back there snug as a bug. We got blankets. She's in her coat. And we are headed to St. Charles. 26 miles. Let's see what we find along the way.
Okay. It's getting a bit more urban, honey.
Love urban.
We're probably 3 or 4 miles from the hotel, just coming into St. Charles now.
Yep.
A whole lot more bike, pedestrian, runners.
Like for the last 10 miles.
Yeah, it's been non-stop. Well, this is pretty loud, so we'll film when we get up to the hotel.
Yeah.
Hampton Inn and Suites, that's it, right?
Yeah, quite a little detour we have here.
Yeah, I feel like we're all definitely in a construction zone.
I'm ready to get there. Get a shower.
She's ready to shower and get there.
Get laundry going.
Maybe you got a tub.
Yeah.
Some cold beverage for me.
I'm thirsty yet.
All right, let's get under this overpass, look for the first left. I'll check. I don't think so, but I'll check. Just don't come. I don't think it is. I'm sure there's another road, but there's a stoplight here. I might come back and get yours.
get up on this highway here to get to the hotel, and I called the hotel and they had no idea how to come in from the Katy Trail. We're literally 1 block away, so Dave's pushing all our gear up. Look how steep this is. Oh my gosh. You guys, I married a superhero or something. Woo! We made it to our room. We all took showers and baths. This girl got a bath, and we went down and we got a meal. I think something's on the lens. Maybe that's better. So I'm full and I'm exhausted. What did you think about today's ride?
Good. I liked it.
We got one more left, you guys. So tomorrow is going to be, I think, 13 miles one way, 13 miles back, but 13 miles to the end of the trail.
Today was urban and construction.
Oh my gosh, that last little bit of construction at the end you saw there, it was a little crazy town. It's pretty bumpy for my girl. Now tomorrow there's a new plan. We are going out to the end. We talked to our friends, Dana and Kurt mentioned that they went out to the end today, and they this is pretty wide open, pretty exposed. I think we're gonna head out of here about 6:30 or so, and we don't need to take all our stuff with us. So Dave's gonna drop his trailer here.
He wants to take Pistol though.
Yeah, Pistol needs to go. She's been with us the whole time, right? She has to go. So Dave's gonna see about putting Pistol's trailer on his bike.
Our trailers both have different mounts, so I'm going to try to swap mounts and put Pistol's trailer hitch on my bike.
Yeah.
Then I'll have Pistol and Irene will have nothing. We'll be like the wind. Like the wind.
We're going to go fast. Our final 26 miles of this trip. I can't even believe it's going to be here. Tomorrow is the Ring the Bell day. I'm very excited for that. We do have a change in plans, though. We are not going to be going back on the trail with our bikes. We decided we are getting a shuttle back to our van.
Change plans.
There's a multitude of reasons for that, and we'll touch on that maybe in an upcoming video, but we just decided that this is best for us. So tomorrow is the final riding day of this trip. I'm excited. We're gonna go ring that bell.
Ding ding.
We'll see you tomorrow. We made it to the end. Ring the bell, girl. Yay! We made it. Thank you. Obviously, I couldn't have done it without you. That's a fact.
Pulling Pistol was a lot lighter than the trailer. It felt great.
Oh, pulling nothing was a lot lighter than pulling
We made
Pistol.
track. It was 13 miles from the hotel to here, and we did it in just a hair over an hour. We averaged about 12 miles an hour, and the rest of the trip we averaged probably 6 to 7 miles an hour. This would have been a 2-hour ride. That's not stopping. That's just
Right.
1 hour of just making tracks to here. So it's kind of fun.
We did good.
We did good. So we had breakfast. Had a great continental breakfast at the
Yeah, it was
hotel. We had that at 6. Race to here, and we're gonna race back We should be there by 9.
It'll still be an hour for breakfast.
Goes on till 10, so we're gonna eat.
We'll have a second breakfast.
We're having breakfast twice today.
Oh.
And then I think I want to go celebrate with something to drink. And maybe, I don't know, there's that one place we walked by, maybe got a Bloody Mary.
Yes, Bloody Mary. And there's a doggy bakery that we walked by yesterday, but they're only open on Saturday and Sunday. So we can't get her anything. But she's been eating a lot of good stuff. So
I bet she would be happy with some continental bacon.
Yeah.
Continental breakfast bacon.
She definitely would be.
Hi, come here. Come here.
Yeah, you did it, girl.
Oh.
You did it. For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
carry on.
on.